I started the business in 2015 while working for another company. We were visiting family in South Carolina, and my wife's cousin, Chad Brubaker, approached me to help him figure out a wiring diagram for a piece of equipment he wanted to build. And so I scribbled on the back of an old piece of paper. And a few months later, he approached me and said that he wanted to start building that equipment because it worked really well, and he wondered if I would build his panels. So I started building panels in my basements, nights and weekends, and that was the beginning of both Ehst Systems and Controls and Innovative Poultry products. We continue to work with Innovative Poultry today. We build over 1,000 panels a year for them. We do all of their electrical R&D and panel building. So as time went on, I was building more and more panels for them, and another former coworker called me up and said, "Hey, I'm going to start my own company. Do you want to build panels for me?" That was Isaac Lapp of Lapp Millwrights. And I started building a few panels for Isaac in my basement as well. And that was the beginning of Lapp Millwrights and our relationship, which also continues today. And we build all of their dust collection panels and continue to work closely with them. I was starting to get busier nights and weekends, and my brother Jared was helping me out some. And as we were getting closer to the end of 2016, I got a call from my dad, who connected me with Eli Ebersol of Ideal Manufacturing, and he had a small PLC project that he needed help with, and so I helped him with that, and that began the long-term relationship that we also have with Ideal Manufacturing, and we work together on custom machines and also the Penn Lancaster robotics. It was about that time when I quit my job and got a big project and went full-time working out of an office in my basement. And at the end of January of 2017, my brother Jared joined me full-time.
So after Jordan asked for my assistance in the company at the start of 2017, we both worked out of our basements for a period of time and threw a few projects to our dad, Dan, where he completed panel builds in his garage. It was 45 minutes away from both of us and a little less convenient. But after a period of time working and expanding past the capacity of his garage, we ended up in a larger 2,000 square foot cold and hot warehouse that we made our home and office. Still working out of our basements, but using that as our warehouse and build facility. That continued to employ us, our dad, and Ross, our third employee, and since then we have expanded in number and into a new 4,000 square foot facility, which is furnished much more nicely with a conference room, finished office, air conditioning and heating, and generally much more decent facility to work in.
Over the last year, we have been accepted into Beckhoff's Integrators program, and so we are representatives of Beckhoff Controls. We use them for all of our servos, motion projects, and most of our PLC projects. We also were accepted into the ABB Integrators program for ABB Robotics. We have a continual stream of other customers that we work with as well. Some of them are facilities owners who have their own equipment, and we work on them, maintain them, upgrade them. We're also starting to do some support contracts with organizations like Museum of the Bible, and that's all coming through our Beckhoff Integrators Group connections. So we continue to support a wide range of industry. We love connecting with a wide range of manufacturing and machinery types, and it's just part of what we love to do, is to really understand the magic behind the products and services that you interact with on a daily basis.